Of course, German reports of their operations differ from British. They claimed in one raid to have wiped out Bristol docks. American journalists go to see for themselves, and not being blind, they observe that the docks are not only still there, but quite a lot of shipping is using them. It's often asked, why do the Germans issue such fantastic claims? Well, it's Hitler's principle that if you're going to tell a lie, it had better be a whopping one. He believes that you and I will say there must be some truth in it, or they couldn't make such statements. So when you hear such yarns, remember these pictures of Bristol and London full of activity. The British government is wisely letting press and newsreel give you the facts. Prince Bernhard, carrying on with his constitutional duties in England,